We come to the BIMEXPO to support the activities here in the local market in Spain, but also as this is an international trade fair and it shows all the BIM usage and the possibilities around BIM. And we can also present our services around this, as here in this BIM Expo area, which is shown at our stand. I knew BIM and in my experience, I remind a couple of years ago, a colleague of mine told me that there is an upcoming trend by architects and designers, and he told me we should go into and maybe to find out if there is a need for any support. I guess this was about 6 years ago, as he told me that. He comes from Netherlands and was visiting with me an architect's office to learn more about this new technologies. BIM supports very well each step in the building site, also in the detailed planning, in all project phases, as well the delivering procedure. For us as a building material manufacturer, for example, this gives us the opportunity in the future to have the right material right in time on site, and later on in the site management on the construction site, it gives the opportunity to the site inspector to get knowledge about the performance of that material which is installed on the building. As well for the facility manager in the later years, he has the option then to know what is, which material is used in the building where he is responsible for. I see the situation in BIM in Spain is on a very good position. In international competition, I would say that Spain, the Belgium, Netherlands, UK market is on the same way as the US American market, for example. That means there is very well introduced and it's under daily use and is in a better position than in other markets like in Eastern Europe. What is missing to help BIM as to come to daily construction work and planning as a tool which is used in every single building site planning. This is absolutely necessary that investors or governmental institutions are asking for this support in design to give in each project the task to the developer, the designer, to build a 3D model of the building itself. It will be absolutely helpful, and this would be support the construction procedure as well here. And it saves also gives a lot of more people a job here in this opportunity to work in an architect's office as a designer. Okay, we have several services depending on the market needs. We are offering the full information in a BIM file per building element. That means we have started to develop the full system file for a building element like a wall or ceiling, exterior wall, floor. And instead of development of only single products, we are offering the full system performance in this file information, in the content of that file. We're delivering the 2D drawing and the 3D model of this building element, as well the performance data and connections to any other building element in detailed sketches which we insert in the files. We are offering a full library according to the country needs in the country language or in international language additionally. And we have in some countries, as well as a test, additional support for construction site. In that case, that we are putting information in the sketches and the 3D model of the construction site and delivering this back to the architects as an additional service. The benefit is time saving in the classification or in the to find out the right system for the right requirements. If you get requirements as an architect or designer, you will not know what kind of systems are offered or with what kind of solutions can be chosen for any building project. To find out what is the right system, a sales support by a sales organization like we have as KNAUF is really helpful, and we give this full support. We're offering that support meanwhile not only with printed documents or PDF documents, we're offering that support with a BIM file for you, and this is a big benefit in cost and time saving in the planning phase as well in the construction phase.